Here are 3 tips to help you create effective automotive content. My name is Austin. I'm the Content and Marketing Director here at Blue Gorilla Digital, where I can help you out. Tip number 1, focus on customer benefits. You can highlight things such as fuel economy, technology, or even styling of a specific vehicle to help create the appeal to a potential customer. Tip number 2, utilize video content. Video content increases click-through rates by 157% compared to static images. And tip number 3, don't forget to utilize high quality images. Yes, video content gets more click-through, but images that are high quality still are important when it comes to making sure your content is on point. If you find this kind of content helpful, be sure to leave us a like, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.